110% Juggler Knickers combine the benefits of compression and the power of an ice bath in one amazing piece of gear. With built-in pockets and reusable ice inserts, Juggler Knickers transition from high-performance compression gear to an active recovery system in one simple step. The combination of compression and ice applied quickly after a tough workout helps prevent swelling and reduces the inflammation that leaves your muscles sore. Targeting the hips, quads, hamstrings, and knees, Juggler Knickers are designed for maximum comfort, performance, and recovery. 110% compression plus ice gear delivers the benefits of an ice bath without the hassle. Each piece of 110% compression plus ice gear comes with reusable ice inserts that fit right inside the built-in pockets. 110% ice inserts are easy to use. Simply hydrate and freeze. Reusable for 6 months, you can cut them for the perfect fit and even warm them when you prefer heat therapy. 110% compression plus ice gear comes in its own thermal carrying bag. The ice stays cold for up to 6 hours, delivering your very own mobile ice bath. With 110% reusable ice inserts and thermal carrying bag, you can jumpstart recovery whenever and wherever you play harder.